homemade vegan whole wheat muffin mix. Hi everyone, Veronica here, and I'm back in the daily kitchen to share with you how I make my own homemade organic muffin mixes. These vegan baking mixes are quick and easy to prepare using just a few simple ingredients from the pantry. First, you'll need Bob's Red Mill organic whole wheat flour. Using a 1 cup measure with a spatula, measure 1 1/2 cups flour into each of your baking mix bags. I'm making 3 muffin mixes today at one time. This saves me time and energy in the future of not having to pull out all of these ingredients each time I want to make muffins. I like to use quart-sized Ziploc bags. I wrote the date and recipe name on them.
I want to say a big thank you for watching this meal prep tutorial video. Your views mean a lot to me, and I hope you enjoy learning how to cook with me in my kitchen. I've been a professional chef teaching culinary skills for over 20 years, and I'm excited for the opportunity to teach cooking from my home kitchen through YouTube. So please like this video because it helps my channel grow, and subscribe to get notifications of new meal prep videos, which I share almost every week.
Then you'll need 2 teaspoons homemade organic baking powder. Check out my video in the description below where I share how to make this easy homemade organic baking powder recipe and why I like to use this instead of commercial baking powder. Next, you'll need 1/4 teaspoons of Bob's Red Mill natural baking soda. Then you'll need 1/2 teaspoons Redmond's real salt. Then measure 4 tablespoons of organic sugar into your bags. Lastly, add 2 tablespoons of organic ground flax seeds into your bags. If you prefer not to refrigerate these mixes, add the ground flax seeds when you're making the batter. When you're finished making your muffin mixes, simply close your bags and mix all of the ingredients together. Store these muffin mixes in the refrigerator to keep them fresh, if using the ground flax seeds. To make these muffins, preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. You'll need a large mixing bowl, measuring spoons, a mixing spoon, and muffin tin. Dump your muffin mix into the bowl, then add 1 cup reduced fat coconut milk. This ingredient allows you to not have to use vegan butter or oil in this recipe. Then add 1/3 cup yogurt, mashed banana, or applesauce. This ingredient gives your muffins moisture. And lastly, add 1/2 cup mix-ins, such as frozen blueberries, chocolate chips, or other ingredients. Mix all ingredients in a large mixing bowl for about 30 seconds with a spoon. Then portion into greased muffin tins. Sprinkle with a little sugar and toppings like slivered almonds if you desire. This recipe makes 6 to 9 muffins, depending on the size that you make them and the ingredients you added. Place muffins into your preheated oven and bake for 20 to 28 minutes, or until muffins are cooked through the center. Let cool in the muffin tins for 10 minutes, then enjoy. Store leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial for how to make homemade vegan whole wheat muffin mixes. And I'll see you in the next video. I hope you subscribe and like this video to get more videos like this in your feed. Bye! Mmm.